Charlottesville, Virginia. Behind me is Gilmer Hall. It's an $80 million project that was done by Whiting Turner. We were a part of the project. We installed all of this precast concrete that you see going up this side and all the way around the window and in various other parts of the building, and something similar on the other side of the building, but about 80 feet high. Some of these blocks weigh 4,500 to 5,000 pounds. They are installed by welding steel clips behind them to the steel frame that's on the inside of the building. Behind this is a rainscreen that keeps everything dry. But this precast concrete should last at least 100, maybe a couple hundred years. It has a very low life cycle cost if you consider the length of time that will actually be on the building. I'm Reich. I'm the CEO of Reich Construction. We design and build pre-engineered steel buildings across the United States. We also do installations like precast concrete. Call us about your next project.